everyone, welcome back to Succeessify. In this video, I will show you how to add an announcement bar into your Shopify store without using any paid apps. You will learn how to create scrolling or static announcement bar, add countdown timers, buttons, and bold text to highlight important messages. We will also customize the colors, fonts, spacing, and scrolling speed. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a professional announcement bar that can help you to promote free shipping, special offers, and important updates all for free. So let's get started. So now let's start with the installation process. I'm gonna use these three themes just to let you know the code is working. There's no error in it. So let me quickly add all these three themes into my Shopify store. And now the theme has been installed. So we're gonna try it on Horizon one first because this is my favorite theme. Let's click on the edit theme. As you know, by default, we have this announcement bar, which looks way more basic one. So let me disable the inspector first and delete this announcement bar. And now, as you can see, upon clicking on the add section, we just have one announcement bar, which we just deleted now. So let me open up the code. The method to install this announcement bar code is same for all themes. And now, as you can see, we have a blocks folder. We have to install the announcement bar code in it. So just in case, in your case, like you don't have the blocks folder, you just have to click here to create the folder and rename it to blocks. And now click on the blocks folder, right click on it, click on upload. And now, as you can see, this is the file. I'm going to provide it to you via Google Drive or something else. I'm going to share the link with you in the description section so you can get the file from there. No need to rename it. Otherwise, it's not going to be work. Let me upload this file. The file has been uploaded successfully. Let me go back to the Shopify admin into the Shopify theme editor. Upon clicking on saving, like the theme have to refresh all the stuff that we recently added in it. So now just above the header, let me add a section, which is an announcement bar. Now we have a newly announcement bar. Let me click on it. And as you can see, the stuff of the announcement bar is displaying. So now don't worry about this a little gap. I'm going to fix it as by default, Shopify gives some padding to all of its sections, as you can see, but not to the slideshow. I know. So how to fix it? Just to click here and click on full width. So the issue has been fixed now. Now we will play around with the stuff and I'm going to guide you how you can add your stuff or all those things. Click here and we have two types of announcement, which is static one and scrolling marquee one. As you can see this one. So that is why I was telling you guys that this announcement contains all sort of functionalities. So now scrolling down a little bit, we can make the whole text to be clickable like this, apple.com. And now, as you can see on this text, left bottom corner, we have https apple.com. So this is what I was trying to display. So let me undo it. I'm not going to use the text link at the moment. Let's suppose I'm going to add the show countdown, like countdown timer. The format you can see here as well. I'm going to use the example one and make sure everything is correct. There's no extra spacing in it. And it will display only until you add both the fields. So let me add the timer as well. And now you can see we have a countdown timer as well, which looks great. And most of the sites have this type of countdown as well. So let me disable it. And now I'm going to add a button. The most of the sites announcement bar does have a button as well in their announcements, which looks great. Text like shop now and a link as well, apple.com. Yes, this one. So now we have a button and upon hovering, you can see on the left bottom corner, we have apple.com link. So let's disable this button as well. And at the moment, we have total number of 5 announcements, which I believe is enough for one site to display their most important announcements. And let's move on with the scrolling mark effect. And all the way to down, you can customize all the stuff, whatever you want, and you can add an icon as well. Let's work on it. I'm gonna add a SVG code here. So for that, you have to navigate to this side, which is SVG viewer. You can add any of the icon from here, like this HUD, which I like. This is the little one, and this is the bigger one. So I like this bigger one, and I'm gonna copy the code of this and then add it to into our announcement bar. So I'm going to paste it here. And now, as you can see, we have an icon on left side as well. It is optional. You can add it or remove it. You can add the card icon or anything else you want, like the flash icon or anything. You can increase the size of it as well, the scrolling speed and the scrolling direction, the pause on hover, all this stuff, and the divider color. And you can play around with all this stuff, and you can change the button colors as well. By default it has an orange one, and you can change the button style as well. Let's suppose you want a rectangular with no corner rounded, so you can disable the border radius all the way to 0. So this is how the things are going to be work. You can play around with all this stuff, and you can increase the height of this announcement bar as well. So let me go with the 60 pixels. So now it looks much bigger, not tiny one. So it looks great on your Shopify store. So this is how you can add announcement bar, customize it. And I hope you guys like this video. And if you really did, please make sure to subscribe our channel Succeessify and hit the bell icon so you can get the latest information about our next video.